Hi everybody. This how my teeth doesn't look that good. And the dentist said I need to take this one there off. So I'm gonna be cleaning my mouth with Listerine right here. My friend said it's good to use Coca-Cola for Listerine. And he said drop some M&Ms. Then brush your teeth with it until your teeth is all yellow or green or blue. Once that's done, you spit it out, and all of this should look like this. Okay? Should look like that. Okay? Should look like that, everybody. Okay. So when you drink some Listerine out of this bottle and rinse your mouth. But they also said it's very good if you can drink some lemon right here. So I'm gonna drink some lemon. I think it's gonna be good. Okay. Everybody, it's right here. I think it's gonna make my teeth really good. Looks pretty nice. Very nice. Need more. Make my teeth more white. I think you guys can already see my teeth getting alright. I'm gonna get more just in case. This is like super sweet lemon or something. Well, I think it's sweet, but we're gonna drink some more. Oh, oh. Once you're done, you're done. Alright, this is gonna be nice. Just follow the steps and your teeth will be white as white.